Johnny Depp says Amber Heard punched him in the face in this audio recording. This is a recording that happened after the poop game. This is after when she shows up at the courthouse with a bruise in her face. I believe this is when they met up maybe in like San Francisco, like a couple weeks after getting a restraining order.
Okay. I'd like to play for you Plaintiff's Exhibit 1229, which is already in evidence, at 1720 through 2128.
What do you say? What do you think we should do? So you're 100%. I'm 100%. That we should. Question.
Doesn't mean we can't see each other.
Okay.
I mean,
So then why did you say stop the
if
proceeding?
you don't surrender,
No, yeah. That people see.
temporary restraints.
You're right. You wanted to work.
Nobody's telling me.
Okay, no, you told me.
We're on the road.
You told me what you wanted. You wanted to work. So that's what I came to figure
You're
out.
not going to call your lawyers and say, stop the process. I don't want to divorce. You're not going to do that.
And now especially people, if you...
Okay, I don't want to divorce.
You don't? How, which one? How do I know which one?
I don't want a divorce. I never wanted a fucking divorce. I
Really?
never wanted a divorce. I didn't want you to fucking go to Coachella without fucking talking to me. Because I left you because you were fucking... You fucking haymakered me, man. You came around the bed to fucking start punching on me. Why? I love you.
That's what really happened the evening of your 30th birthday, isn't it, Miss Heard?
No, that's incorrect.
Mr. Depp was in bed, and then you came around the bed and started punching him.
That's incorrect.
You don't deny that in the recording, do you, Miss Heard?
I'm not having that conversation with Johnny. I'm not denying anything. I'm not saying anything. I'm not having that conversation with Johnny. I was trying to get out of that hotel room. That was a mediation attempt. That was the recording you just heard. It was us meeting in a hotel.
But you're talking about your 30th birthday.
No, we're not.
You're not talking about going to Coachella and...
Johnny's talking about that. I am not arguing with him about any of that.
Right. You don't deny anything, do you?
I'm not talking to him about that.
You're the most spoiled fucking brat. And you got every... You don't even...
Your book. Is this gonna be good for your book?
You won't even
Is this
make
gonna be
it.
good for your book? No, I'm sure Rochelle's available. Call her up. I'm sure she's available. You're a joke.
Yeah, I'm the joke in the industry, Amber. I'm the joke. I'm the joke in the
I'm
industry.
sorry, I can't really hear you. I'm sorry.
AQUAMAN.
Aww.
Miss Heard, you remember during Mr. Depp's examination, a number of recordings were played, correct?
That's correct.
And in one of those recordings, you told Mr. Depp, quote, "I hope to God Jack's stepfather teaches him more about being a man than your fucking left nut," end quote. Do you remember that?
I do not remember what exactly I could hear of that recording. I remember I heard myself make a mention of Jack's new stepfather, or...
Jack is Mr. Depp's son, right?
That is correct. And I believe I was referencing a marriage that his ex-partner was going to have or getting into, I suppose.
Jack's new stepfather would teach him how to be a man because Mr. Depp couldn't.
I
right?
don't recall exactly what I said, but it was something to that effect.
This next part happens before the audio recording that we just listened to. This is the part where she's kind of like cackling a little maniacally, and Johnny Depp does the Aquaman meme.
Let's listen to some of what happened before you said that to Mr. Depp. If we could please play Plaintiff's Exhibit 397, which is already in evidence.
Fucking suck your own dick.
Everything's fine until it doesn't go your way. And when it doesn't go your way,
Your own
I'm in trouble.
dick.
And you know what?
Suck.
I don't need you. I don't want your kind of woman. I don't want your kind of woman.
Suck my
I
dick.
don't want your kind of
Suck
woman.
my dick.
I've
Hey, Janice,
On my pad. So my dick with you.
big mistake. I wish I had fucking hadn't.
Oh, yeah.
I wish I fucking hadn't. I wish I fucking hadn't bought into any of your fucking lies, your bullshit, your sober fucking presence, your fucking goodness, your sweetness, all the lies. I wish I hadn't bought into the months of you being you. I wish I hadn't bought into the promises. I wish I hadn't fucking thought I could have kids with you. You're a fucking kid yourself. I wish I hadn't bought into any of the lies you sold. Talk about fake bill of goods. You're the biggest fucking, you're the biggest fucking seller of fake fucking bill of goods. Talk about presenting yourself as
I
something
did
you're
myself
not.
as a fake
Suck my
seller
dick.
of goods.
Suck my
I
dick.
fucking you've left nothing and I've left
Suck my
everything.
dick.
So suck
Suck
your
my
dick.
Yeah, go on.
Which is probably your next move because it's what you fucking need. No, I don't want to suck your dick. I don't want nothing to do with your
Oh,
fucking
because I really
midsection.
need something you want.
Well, go get it, man.
Because I need something. Go on.
Huh?
Fucking fuck yourself.
I
No shit, I don't. Suck your dick.
don't want to.
You're trying. It's gonna be all me, yeah.
No, that's not really true, Amber.
Actually, it kind of is.
It kind of is. What are you talking about? You didn't want some
No,
Oh, is it? What is it?
no, I'm sure Rochelle's available. Call her up. I'm sure she's available.
Maybe she is.
I'm sure she is.
We'll see.
I'm sure she is.
I'll let you know.
Oh, I'm sure she is. I'm sure for her yoga blog.
That fake laugh. That fake laugh is too much to take.
No, I'm sure she's.
That fake laugh is so disgusting.
I'm sure
man.
she's great. I'm sure she's great.
I'm thinking that you've been giving me some
No.
of the best performances in
No,
the
no,
fucking
you're
trash.
right. I don't. It's all about performance.
It's about performances. How am I don't regret. I don't regret.
Oh, what else?
I
What
don't
else that you do? Oh, come on.
I don't
Be
regret.
rude.
I
Come
don't
on.
regret.
Lay it on me. What else? What else other things do you want to add?
Can't talk
You
to me,
fucking
sound
lying
like
piece of shit.
Bobby
What? Oh,
Like
no.
a
I
kid
want
show.
to know.
Yeah,
I want to know.
Get out your Ubers
I'm
out.
kind of waiting. You go get it.
Yeah, I'll be in
Wait, is there no other place for you to run in your 15 other houses to go run? Come on, go be a real married man and go deal with your shit the way that a man does. Go run to the next house.
I wish I'd known.
Every man does.
Yeah.
Go.
Gone
Run
through.
away. I know it's
With
hard to
your
look at yourself.
fucking ridiculous
I know.
plan.
It's
Your
hard.
panicked fucking plan.
It's hard. It's hard.
Screwing everybody else
Poor
over
thing.
to get
You're
your
right.
fucking.
I tried.
get what
That's
you
what I
want.
do.
You're the most spoiled fucking brat. And you've got everybody out here almost full, but it
you're
don't
right.
last
You're
long.
right.
I've
I'm
been here a
sorry.
lot longer
You're
than
right.
you.
You got to
Because
figure it out.
You don't have. Figure out what you have to offer as opposed to going out and get your hits out.
You're right. That's what I do.
Well, yeah.
Okay.
London Field is excellent.
You're right. You're
Excellent
right.
choice.
Back to that. Well, I wonder what we else. I wonder what else we can reach for in the last 60 minutes. Oh no, it was for you. You're right. I'm sure there's other things you can find.
Go loud.
No, I'm not laughing.
Or, no, matter of fact,
I'm
laugh
not
here.
laughing. I'm not. It's
Oh.
serious. I'm sure you can find other things.
I know. And stripping, man. Well, there's always that. You can
You're
always
right.
go back
You can
to
write
that.
a book.
For
You can
another-
write a
for
book.
another
I
10
know you can
minutes.
write a book. Oh, is this gonna be good for your book? Oh, should I have you sign an NDA for your book?
You don't even.
Your book.
No,
Is this
no.
gonna be good for your book?
You won't even
Is
make
this
it
gonna be
in the
good for your book?
I'll write what
Hey,
I want. I'll
I
write
have a
what
good
I want.
idea.
Alright, well,
How about you sell more of your journals? You don't want to sell out or anything. Let's sell you journals. Oh, wait.
Hey,
Hey, you know, no,
Yeah,
you're not
you don't wanna
watching.
sell out.
No, you're not selling
wanna
out.
sell out,
no,
Magic Mike.
No,
You don't wanna
yeah,
sell
'cause
out.
no one does
No,
21
man.
Drunk Street when they're in their 20s. No, you're right. That's not selling out. No. When you're in your 20s, you should really know what you want. Like
By the
selling
way-
your journals.
by the way, if you didn't know who the fuck I was.
You're right. Go sell your journals like a real non-sellout. 55-year-old. Or, I'm sorry, 50.
6.
51. I don't know. It doesn't matter at this point.
No.
I don't think so.
It really doesn't.
I don't really think so. But you're right. I mean, hey, at least I didn't do like a TV show where I was heartbroken in my 20s. God, that would be like embarrassing.
Wow.
If only I was with someone in their 50s that could point that out to me. Imagine, Mike, you're right. When you play a non-sexualized object. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Wow. You're right. You got me. You got it all figured out.
You don't even know what movies I've done.
If only
You haven't
like,
even taken an interest.
If only I could be
You know,
like
but I had to
you. If
watch
only
your
I
fucking-
could be like
I had to watch your fucking direct and you trying to like
You're a joke.
spew
You're
out
a
these fucking
joke.
lines.
You're a joke. You're a joke.
Yeah, I'm the joke in the industry, Amber. I'm the joke. I'm the joke in the
I'm
industry.
sorry. I can't really hear you. I'm sorry. The reruns of all my bullshit are playing too loud for me to hear you. I'm gonna just go and pedal my way back. Sorry. I can't hear you.
Aquaman.
Oh, 21, whatever it was.
I was
I don't remember it anymore.
I was 20.
No one cares. You're fucking
Washed up piece of
Oh,
shit.
what?
Washed up piece of shit.
I can't hear you. I can't hear you.
Your
Oh, I can't hear you.
jealousy's so tragic.
I'm sorry.
Your jealousy's so tragic. Fucking like
I can't hear
thinking
you.
that I'm going on a road with a
Turn on
band.
my aid. I can't hear you.
Aquaman.
You told Mr. Depp to suck your dick multiple times, didn't you?
Yes, I did.
You tell him to go run to his 15 other houses, right?
That's correct.
Because that's what he would do when you behave like this, isn't it?
Eventually, he
All right, we gotta pause real quick. That was so fucking uncomfortable to listen to because we saw the different personalities of Amber, and then towards like the middle end, that's when she went a little bit off hinge. We saw the real fucking Amber, dude. And then thank God Johnny was in the recording, and he just made us feel a little bit better and added some comedy relief towards the end with the Aquaman thing, dude. That was when I heard the Aquaman audio. It sounded like she was crying and he was taunting her. But after listening to the whole fucking audio, she was not crying, dude. She was fucking, and she did not look at the jury. She looked down. She took a quick little glance at them to see what they were thinking, but she had her head fucking down.
did.
You tell him to go run to his 15 other houses, right?
That's correct.
Because that's what he would do when you behave like this, isn't it?
Eventually, he would go and stay in one of the other houses.
To run away from you.
You call him a sellout, don't you?
I was expressing frustration about his criticism of my career and how many problems that caused within the dynamic of our relationship. Yes,
So you call him a sellout and a joke?
I called him horrible, ugly things, as you can hear. And
Sellout.
We spoke to each other in a really horrible way.
Pretty sure we just heard you speak to him in a really horrible way. You called him a sellout,
I just
right, Miss
disagree.
Heard? You called him a sellout, right, Miss Heard?
I called him a lot of ugly things.
And a joke.
I called him a lot of ugly things.
You called him a joke on that recording. You called him a washed up piece of shit.
I think we both called each other that on that occasion, yes.
Mr. Depp mentions Aquaman, doesn't he?
Yes, he does.
Mr. Depp got you that role in Aquaman, didn't he?
Excuse me?
Mr. Depp got you that role in Aquaman, didn't he?
No, Miss Vasquez, I got myself that role by auditioning.